If you've got any painful joints and you're going to use ginger, so that's where you can use it internally. It also will boost your hydrochloric acid.
Welcome to Very Okay. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more enlightening health content. Today, we dive into the powerful benefits of ginger, inspired by the teachings of Barbara O'Neill, a renowned naturopath and nutritionist known for advocating natural health remedies. Barbara O'Neill is an Australian naturopath and nutritionist who has dedicated her life to educating others about the importance of natural remedies and holistic health. Despite some controversy over her methods, her insights on herbal remedies continue to influence many in the world of natural health. Barbara O'Neill, like many naturopaths, recommends ginger for its numerous health benefits, particularly its effects on digestion and its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is well regarded for its therapeutic qualities. Here's a detailed look at why ginger is often recommended by health advocates like Barbara O'Neill. Digestive health. Ginger is highly effective in alleviating symptoms of gastrointestinal distress. It promotes the elimination of intestinal gas and soothes the intestinal tract. This makes it a go-to remedy for nausea, especially during pregnancy. Ginger is also known to help manage dyspepsia, chronic indigestion, speeding up the emptying of the stomach in people who experience discomfort after eating. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger contains gingerols, compounds that are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds make ginger a beneficial herb for treating inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Regular consumption of ginger may reduce pain levels and improve mobility in individuals with chronic pain associated with inflammation. Immune boosting. Ginger has immune-boosting properties that may help to prevent infections. It can inhibit the growth of various types of bacteria and may be particularly effective against oral bacteria linked to inflammatory diseases in the gums, such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Ginger also has antiviral properties that may help fight colds and flu. Pain relief. Ginger has been shown to be effective against exercise-induced muscle pain. By consuming ginger, individuals may experience a reduction in muscle pain and soreness due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Circulatory health. Ginger helps improve blood circulation, which can lead to increased delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues throughout the body. This aspect is particularly emphasized in naturopathic practices for its detoxifying effects on the blood and organs. How to use ginger. Barbara O'Neill, and others who advocate for natural health practices, often recommend consuming ginger in various forms: fresh, dried, as a tea, or even in supplements. It can be added to food for flavor or taken medicinally for health benefits. However, as with any supplement, it's important to consider potential interactions with other medications and the individual's health condition. In her lectures and writings, Barbara O'Neill likely emphasizes these benefits of ginger within the context of a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and the use of natural remedies to support overall well-being.
It also will boost your hydrochloric acid.
In the lectures by Barbara O'Neill, boosting hydrochloric acid, HCl, in the stomach is often highlighted as a critical aspect of digestive health. Ginger is particularly emphasized as a natural stimulant that can help increase the production of stomach acid. Here's a detailed explanation on how ginger aids in boosting hydrochloric acid and why this is important for overall health. How ginger boosts hydrochloric acid. Ginger is known for its ability to stimulate the stomach's production of digestive fluids, including hydrochloric acid. The active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerols and showgales, promote the activities of various digestive enzymes that contribute to food breakdown. Increasing HCl levels not only helps in the efficient digestion of proteins, but also activates the intrinsic factor, which is essential for vitamin B12 absorption. Benefits of increased hydrochloric acid. Improved digestion. Adequate levels of HCl are crucial for the complete digestion of food particles, especially proteins. HCl helps break down proteins into peptides, facilitating the action of enzymes like pepsin. Nutrient absorption. HCl assists in the absorption of several vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, calcium, and iron, which are vital for various bodily functions. Preventing bacterial overgrowth. By maintaining an acidic environment in the stomach, HCl helps prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast that might otherwise proliferate in the gut. Symptom relief. Adequate stomach acid can reduce symptoms associated with indigestion, such as bloating, belching, and discomfort.
A few slices of ginger in my water bottle and have a nice ginger flavor. I do love ginger.
Using ginger to enhance hydrochloric acid production. According to Barbara O'Neill's recommendations, incorporating ginger into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your stomach acid levels. Here are a few methods to use ginger for this purpose. Ginger tea. As Barbara O'Neill suggests, making ginger tea is straightforward. Simply grate fresh ginger, pour hot water over it, let it steep for about 10 minutes, and then strain it to drink. Raw ginger. Including small amounts of raw ginger in your diet, such as adding it to salads or smoothies, can help stimulate HCl production. Ginger supplements. For those who might not prefer the taste of ginger, capsules or tablets can be an effective alternative. Here are more quick and easy ginger recipes that you can incorporate into your diet to enjoy its health benefits. 1. Ginger honey lemon water. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger grated, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 cup hot water. Instructions: combine the grated ginger, lemon juice, and honey in a mug. Pour hot water over the mixture. Stir well to dissolve the honey. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain if desired. Enjoy warm to soothe the throat and boost digestion. 2. Ginger stir fry. Ingredients: 1-inch ginger, finely chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add ginger and garlic, sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the mixed vegetables and stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes until just tender. Drizzle with soy sauce and sesame oil, stir to combine. Serve hot, perfect as a side dish or over rice for a quick meal. 3. Ginger smoothie. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of ginger peeled, 1 banana, half a cup frozen mango pieces, 1 cup spinach leaves, 1 cup almond milk or water. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender. Blend on high until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a refreshing and digestive-friendly smoothie. 4. Ginger salad dressing. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of ginger grated, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the grated ginger, minced garlic, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and honey. Whisk together until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle over your favorite salad and toss to coat. 5. Ginger marinated chicken. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1-inch ginger grated, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lime. Instructions: in a bowl, mix together ginger, garlic, soy sauce, honey, olive oil, and lime juice. Place chicken breasts in a sealable bag or container. Pour the marinade over the chicken, ensuring it is well coated. Refrigerate and let marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for more flavor. Grill or pan fry over medium heat until cooked through. These recipes demonstrate versatile ways to use ginger in your daily meals, enhancing flavor while providing the digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits that ginger is known for. Caution and consideration. While ginger is generally safe for many people, it's crucial to use it judiciously, especially if you have conditions such as gastritis or ulcers, where too much stomach acid can be problematic. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements, particularly if you are on medications or have existing health concerns. Do you have any questions about ginger or suggestions for future topics? We love hearing from you, so please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that you want to see. Thanks for joining us as we explored the insights from Barbara O'Neill on enhancing health with ginger. If this video sparked your interest, please hit like and share it to spread the knowledge. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Very OK.